guys, so today's makeup look is right here, right here, right here. It's this copper, is it copper? It's like a reddish copper makeup eyeshadow with a reverse smoky eye on the lower lids and a nice nude lip. It's simple, soft. I feel like anybody can pull this off. And I'm happy to be doing makeup tutorials again. I haven't been inspired to do makeup tutorials. So this is what I was inspired to do. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in this video that you're watching. Coming up right now. Watch us slay this makeup, slay this face.
Hi guys, so I'm already starting off with my eyebrows done. Eyebrow tutorial will be linked below. So I'm using my Elegant Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector to use as a primer for my eyeshadow. And I'm using my fingers to blend that out. Make sure it gets in all the crevices, corners of my eyes, and all that. Now I'm going in with Soft Peach from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is going to be my all over lid color to set that concealer and make sure that my eyeshadow blends seamlessly. Now I'm going with my Clinique moisturizer, and I'm not a big primer fan, so I'm making sure that I moisturize my skin very good when I'm putting on foundation. I only use primer when I'm going out to special occasion, so that's a good tip. If you don't have primer on hand, you can just use a moisturizer. Now I'm going in with Morocco from Anastasia Beverly Hills also. And this is going to be my transitional color. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions to put that in the crease area. Back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Very easy. Now I'll zoom you guys in so you can see better what I'm doing. Yeah, buddy. Now I'm getting Fire Glow from Coastal Scents, and this is a 195 hot pot from the Coastal Scents website, coastalscents.com. I'm using a flat shader brush just to pat that color on. Make sure that my entire lid is covered with that color. It's a beautiful, like, coppery gold color. I can't even describe it, but it's a beautiful color. If you're looking to get some Coastal Scent shadows, their shimmer shadows are very, very good, and I love them actually. Very creamy, pigmented, all that. So I'm doing the same thing to the next eye, and I'll show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So let me stop talking. Now I'm taking a little bit more Morocco eyeshadow on a crease brush, and I'm just blending my lid color and my crease color together to make sure that there is no harsh lines. Everything is blended, everything looks seamless. Now I'm using my foundation, putting that all over my face. And I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 330. I actually really love this foundation, even though it said matte and poreless on the bottle. It's not too matte and it's not too dewy. It's like a perfect foundation. If you haven't tried, please try it. And I have dry skin and it works amazing for me. It doesn't cling to my dry patches. And you guys know I love matte foundation. I love my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, but this is about to be bae. This is about to replace my Infallible Pro Matte, especially with the weather changing and it being more dry. Now I'm going in with my Rebel True Match Perfect Concealer in medium. And this is what I'm going to use to highlight. This is a very creamy concealer. I really love this concealer. It reminds me of the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, but a lot cheaper. The drugstore version, basically. I'm just using my Real Techniques Express face sponge to blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. That's what makeup is about, blending for the gods. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm using my I Love Makeup contour kit from LA Pro Girl. I'm using that second color that's at the bottom to actually contour and warm up my face. And I'm using that color because it's not too orangey and it's not too gray toned, because with my strong yellow undertones I can't pull off like a full gray contour. It doesn't look good on me. It makes me look dead. More props to you if you can pull off like a gray, full gray contour, but Shakira can't do it. So that's what we're doing. Now we're going back on the eyes again, so I had to zoom you guys in. And I'm using this candlelight eyeliner, and I'm just putting that in the lower lash line and also in the waterline. And I'm trying to get that liner as dark as possible also. Now I'm getting a dark black eyeshadow, and that's from the Anastasia palette also, and I'm setting that black eyeshadow to make sure it doesn't move, it doesn't budge, and I don't look like a raccoon. And that's all that I'm doing. Now I'm getting that same color that I use in my crease, the Morocco color, and I'm using it to blend that black color out. The black color from Anastasia is called Noir. So I'm blending Noir out with Morocco eyeshadow to make sure it's seamless, it's not harsh, none of that. I don't like anything harsh on my eyes. Now I'm applying some mascara, and I'm just using a thin layer of mascara. Nothing too heavy on both the top and bottom lash line. And I'm gonna prepare to put my false lashes on. Now I'm going in with a brown lip liner. You can use any brown lip liner, but this one is from LA Girl, and I got it from the dollar store. It comes with a pack of 2, and it doesn't have a name on it, so I can't tell you the name. But I'm using another drugstore Dollar Tree Broadway lipstick, and it's in the color Nude. And now I'm going in with my Mary Kay lip gloss, and that's also in a nude color. And that's what I'm doing on the lips. That's my lip concoction, my lip combo. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on all social medias. Link will be in the description box. Bye.